This is your host, Noor Ali, Right Tools for Right Job. This holds a Linux Mint 22 with GUI version. That is my old laptop. I know it's old, but the idea is to have a spare laptop to test your theories and do experiments, right? That's what a lab is all about. Computer lab, right? If you go to a trade school, if you go to a technical college, universities, or even you take courses, there are online labs and hardware labs, right? What lab stands for is time that you spent working hands-on, right? Either taking equipment apart, testing the software, testing operating systems, testing network configurations, and security configurations, diagnostics, whatever. Without that, your education, your certification, your hands-on knowledge won't be complete. Keep that in mind, right? So, don't mind this old laptop. I'm gonna wipe it, clean it, and then I'm gonna go step by step and create a content for each step that I go through, so we will be golden, okay? The aim is knowledge is power. My motto or my mantra is educate, learn, teach, share, and grow. I mean, you ain't gonna take it with you, right? Do what you can, pay it forward. That's what my channel is about, right? I'm not charging a single penny to retrieve information out of my channel, out of my PPT slide decks, right? It's free, right? And God has given me intelligence, God has given me common sense, and God has given me brain. You guys ever saw a cartoon called Pinky and the Brain? Huh? What did Pinky used to say to Brain? Brain, what are you going to do today? And what did Brain say to Pinky? I am going to take over the world. Cartoons are awesome, right? So I hope and I pray that you guys have a good sense of humor. Anyway, so this is the first stage. You got to have a laptop. You have to download the OS either in CD. Now, from this, if you burn a CD, we're going to burn a CD, and I'm going to do that. Anyway, till we meet again, this is your host, Noor Ali, Right Tools for Right Job. Thank you.